right, welcome back to Neglected Garage. I guess I didn't exactly show how I was wiring up the thermostat on this thing. I guess I just didn't even think about it. But here you go. This is just going to be a short little video of the two-wire connection going from the heater over to my thermostat. Basically, I've got, if this thing will focus, I've got the white wire going up here to this top screw and the black wire here going down to this bottom screw. And I can't really tell. There's like a T1 down here. There's like a T1 down here on the bottom, if it'll focus. Yeah, there's a T1 down there where the black wire goes in, and then there's a T2 where the white wire goes in. And now I'll show you over here on my thermostat that this is a model T855 Pro 1 IAQ. And now this thing has got a ton of different settings on it that I haven't even figured out how to control. It will, this thing will control a lot of different stuff, not just a heater, but air conditioner, humidity control, and a few other things like that. But basically, how this is wired up in here, the black wire comes over here to the WE portion of the block, and then the white wire comes up here to the RH portion of the block. And that's basically how I wired the thing in, and it does work pretty good. As far as the thermostat goes, it works pretty good. Now the heater itself in here, it could be better, but it'll take the chill out. It's not quite big enough for the space that I have, because this shop here, this is basically just my work area. Back in here where my heater is at, I've still got another portion of the garage out there where I park the cars. But yeah, I hope that cleared up any misinformation that I forgot to include in the video. But yeah, that's pretty much how I wired up my thermostat, and hope that helps everybody out. But hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and if you like, videos like this, of doing things, to your shop to make it a little bit more comfortable, I do have a few other things planned that I'm going to be doing out here, besides cleaning, because this shop is, well, it needs some work. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much how I, hooked up my heater out here. If there's anything else that you'd like to know that ain't in either one of these videos, just drop me a message, in the comments below, and I'll try to help you out the best I can. But thanks for watching, and hope you can get your shop, warmer and, where it's a little bit more comfortable. But thanks for watching.